Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a quick review of the Crave Protection Series Dual Guard cases for Google Pixel 9a. So we will talk about its design features, all of its pros and cons, durability while performing a quick unboxing as well. So here we go. So first of all, let me tell you that the Crave Protection Series Dual Guard cases for Google Pixel 9a come in many different colors. Here we got the black and the red one, but if you visit the link given in the description of this video or the one appearing at the top right corner of the screen, you will find many different other color options as well. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here you can see we got this picture of the Pixel 9a with the Crave Dual Guard case. On the back we got some of the specification that it comes with an ultra slim design. It is having the shock absorption feature. It is made of premium quality and we got the precise cutouts as well. So let's start with the unboxing. So here we got the red color case, and here is the black Crave Protection Series case, the Dual Guard case for Google Pixel 9a. So here on the back of the case you can see we got this nice texture that is going to provide very solid grip while holding the device because it's creating the friction and it is really good. It feels smooth as well, not rough or something, so that's quite nice. Here we got the Crave branding, and unlike many other cases, the camera module protection is not outwards, it's actually inwards. Usually you will find the camera module bump is a bit extended from other cases, but here it is flat surface, edge to edge, as you can see. On the inside we got these nice zigzag lines that are going to provide shock absorption and protect the device if you drop it accidentally with this case on. It is also quite smooth and nice. We got the same textures on the side as well. Here you can see on the red colored case we got this nice color accent. If you have a look on the black, it's all black of course, but also here we got the different color accent because we got the combination of the TPU and the polycarbonate shell. So the polycarbonate shell is black and rest of the part is based on the color variant you are going to buy, and the name is Dual Guard for this particular case because you can split the TPU part from the polycarbonate. So this is the solid polycarbonate part here, and as you can see it comes with this wireless charging module. We will test that in a bit, and here is the soft TPU case as you can see here, and you can see that this part is raised to provide the protection to the camera module and the polycarbonate part goes on top of it and then it goes totally flat. The buttons are part of the TPU case as well, and the good part is that you can just put the TPU case on top of your Google Pixel 9a and use it as a case if you do not want to put this polycarbonate part. Of course the protection will be reduced a bit and the wireless charging will not work because it's integrated, embedded in the polycarbonate part, but then it will also reduce the overall bulk that you will get with the full case. And once again, if you would like to have the polycarbonate part on top of it, you can just place here and apply a bit of pressure and we will be good to go. There we go. Now talking about the buttons are very tactile and clicky, and once again the grip is really solid, and here you can see how the camera module is protected by this cutout here. At the bottom we got the precise cutouts for the USB Type-C port and the speaker grill. At the top we got the cutout for the microphone, so this is quite nice. And if you have a look from this angle you can see that the edges are slightly raised to protect the display. If you drop the smartphone with this case on accidentally flat on the surface, then because of the raised edges the display will be protected. Now let's try the wireless charging capability, and you can see it started charging. The battery is fully charged, so it is showing charged, but the wireless charging is working perfectly as you can see here. So if you're planning to buy a case for your Google Pixel 9a, then the Crave Protection Series Dual Guard cases are quite nice as they provide very nice protection to your device at a very reasonable pricing. If you are interested in buying these cases, then I have shared the link in the description of this video, or you can click the one appearing at the top right corner. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.